Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to fix Chipotle app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first, just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the top and search for the application, guys. And after that, just simply tap on it, and when there is an update, you should be able to see here update button instead of open, and just simply make sure you are running the latest version. Just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find the application over here and tap on it. And now from here, go for the storage and tap on clear cache. And now, if you still have issues with the app, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the application. Now, another solution, just simply go to the application and hold it and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from here, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I will help you out. See ya.